It's pretty cool to tell people that you're building a house. It's always good to know how to fix things. You learn a lot about what's in a house and what to avoid. You learn all the ins and outs of the house.
And just pop it right out like that.
Working with wood and metal and all that other fun stuff, it's just really fun to do. I've always had a knack for building things, and so when I heard that they were opening the program, I jumped on board. I was really excited to do it.
Can you see the difference in that?
If you do want a career, that is a great jump start. It is amazing.
You can get your OSHA training card, and it can help you greatly in order to get a job.
It's just a great program.